Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital REM. This is another behind the scenes of us headed to a video shoot at the Commerce Club, the Fitted Affair, where people are going to be getting dressed up, getting snazzy with one of the tailors there that's well known here in Atlanta. And we're going to capture the behind the scenes today and kind of just capture the story and give y'all our feedback at the end, as we always do. But with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. A wrap. We actually just wrapped up the Fitted Affair at the Commerce Club, highlighting Phillip Granderson. So definitely a beautiful event. It was amazing. We actually had a great turnout. Got to see some great suits and the great quality that he offers with his suits. So one of those events, like as soon as I saw the event, I'm like, I gotta record this. I gotta get on the team. I gotta get on that media team so I can support this, like support this initiative, support this spirit of, you know, the high class, the high value man, the high class man, and just essentially, you know, the next step of graduating from Jordan and things like that. So I want to be a part of that, especially when it comes to myself, but then when it comes to inspiring the youth. So again, one of those events like this is one of those ones that had a bigger impact than, you know, I probably will notice. But at the same time, like, I noticed that this is a great opportunity to capture some great content with a great designer based out of New York. Visited Atlanta, wanted to showcase his brand, wanted to showcase his value, and pretty much at the Commerce Club on the 49th floor. So you can't really complain about that. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Later, y'all. Peace. Hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you can see more behind the scenes content just like this when we go on production shoots, and you get to see kind of the behind the scenes. But then at the same time, you can stay abreast or stay up to date with all of the things that we have going on here at Digital REM, the productions we have going on, and the clients that we are supporting here in Atlanta. Again, we're not limited to Atlanta, but right now here in Atlanta. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, do all the above, and share this with somebody else that you might think can get some value out of this. So that being said, I'll see you all in the next lesson, or see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all. Peace.